Assalamu alaikum, grade 8 computer science students. We will start lesson number 12, and this lesson I will create a complete PowerPoint project for you. So watch carefully and follow each steps and repeat it, and this way you can create a very effective presentation. Let's start. So to start this lesson, I have to close the PowerPoint and then open it from the beginning. I close this file. Okay, to start the presentation, we need to click on the window key. And when you click on the window key, then we will write POWER, power, and you will see from the list PowerPoint. So here we are. Alright, so first of all, you should have in your mind about what topic you want to create this presentation. Let's suppose this project is about fruits, or maybe you can make about vegetable, or maybe football players, or maybe anything you like. So I will make a food list. And who is making this project? So let's suppose this project is made by Syed Asim. Right, so or maybe you can add another student. Let's suppose the other student is Abdullah Nawaz. Okay, so this is the title. As I told you before, you can choose any color you like from here. You can choose maroon color, you can make it bold, and you can choose any font you like. Okay, so I choose this font. All right, now for new slide, I will click here and I will choose a layout, this one, because I want to have a title here, some description of text here, and a picture here. So from where I will get, the best thing is you write a description from your mind, and you have saved the picture better to take with your camera or something, or you can download even from the internet. Okay, so for this purpose I have open a website, and we will be using this. We have here different fruit, and I will choose some of the fruit to be added. For example, I want to add guava. Okay, so GU like this, or you can write your own, and just to save time I'm copying and pasting it. You can type it, and I'm adding some description. You know, in the real life you will not use someone else's description for your project, but I'm using it just to save time. So I'm copying this image and I will paste it directly here. This is one. I can create it like this, right? And even I can remove this frame. This one, I do not need this one. Okay, it's done with one slide. Let us take one more slide, one or two more slides. Okay, we bring another fruit. Okay, let's suppose I'm bringing kiwi fruit, so copy the image here. Let me bring the kiwi fruit here, so I can remove. I put it on this side. Okay, about the description, so I can bring the description from here and pasting it here. As I told you, you have to write your own description about different things in real life and your projects. You will not copy and paste. Just to save time, I'm using this method, because if I will type description, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so kiwi, or you can write just kiwi, or because the kiwi is an animal as well, so that's why kiwi fruit. Okay, one more slide and we are good to go. Right, let's take the website again. Okay, I like this orange. Copy image, paste here. Yes, so here we are. Okay, orange. Bring the description. If you want, you can increase the picture size like this, depends. Okay, we have now 3 slides. Let me add one more slide. Okay, so we have pineapple. Very good. Copy image, paste here. Remove this frame, slightly increase the text size. Yes. The picture size, sorry. Okay, let me bring description about the pineapple. Get here. Okay, one more slide is a thank you slide, and thank you for your attention. Whatever you like, you want to have something in the end, bring it here. Let me bye. Okay, now if we look at this presentation, it's very simple. Have a look. But with simple animation and things, you can make it attractive. How? First of all, if you want to choose a design, you can. For example, I want this design, right? So did you notice something happened to this? You can use it to bring it to the center, and text also I'll bring it to the center. So this is the first thing we did. Now transition, I'll just show you some of them. For example, I want this one for this line, so this is the effect. Or I want the cubes, right? Or I want the doors. Alright, I'm looking for another one. Lens. Yes, there is curtain, it will be nice. Let me see if there is curtains. Not find it. You can use something like this. Like, anyhow, let me take this one. Right, I want to apply it to all slides. I can do it. If you want to have it on mouse click, or you can set the time here, maybe after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, up to you. I'm trusting to apply it to all slides, save time, or I can choose different one for each slide. uh, the other thing, uh, okay, look, I want to apply animation, so what I will do is fly and like this, fly and okay, for go over I can choose different one as well, but let's see, I choose this one, so how it will be, or maybe can you swivel for something like that. Did you like it? For the text you can choose something, maybe appear or bounce. Let's see how is the effect of bounce. Okay, like this. So you can choose different animation effects for different things. I'm again using floating for example, so it will be coming like this. For this one, fly and for this one I'm using different one. Right, and I'm not okay, let me do it for it as well. For example, fly and this one is grow and turn, something like it. Okay, so last slide, fly and thank you, also fly and, but I want this thank you and this center. I try, yes. Okay, so let's see this. When you click here you will see the slideshow, and let's watch out. So you need the mouse click to bring the topics. Fruit list and by Sayyid Asim and Abdullah Nawaz. Okay, right. Pineapple. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye. Okay, this concludes our today's lesson. Boy, the practical skills you learn better by practice. If you will not practice, you will not learn it. So always practice. If you do not understand this video, watch it again and again. Pause the video, practice, then start again. Thank you.